Making coffee with capsules. You can also use capsules and the capsule holder to brew coffee. First, please install the capsule in the holder. Then just install the funnel and operate the machine as normal. The coffee is being brewed.